I hiccuper.
Naomi has hiccups. Let's count them. That was already 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how she moved her tongue for me.
Alright. I want you to just be done.
You know that babies have hiccups in their sleep sometimes?
Yeah. Oh, she need to wake up. Okay. Okay. That'll be over soon.
You gonna keep going to sleep, fat mama? Y'all good. She look like Keith.